Hi everyone. Um, Ako yung partner na tinutukoy ni Marvin sa vlog niya. Yung last video na explaining kung nasaan na si friend. So my name is Kyle and I'm making this video not to not to gain or not to ask sympathy or to earn subscribers or whatsoever, likes or views. It's just this is to support the statement of Marvin na okay kami ni Aaron and okay din kami ni Marvin. Napag-usapan na namin to in a professional and polite manner. So actually I told them na they can proceed with their vlogging, and I know na meron pa silang mga videos na suppose i-post, and I given my consent na i-post nila yon, but it was their personal decision na hindi na i-push yun. So thank you so much for doing it kasi nakikita ko na you value kung ano man yung magiging possible na maramdaman ko, kasi hindi ko pa nga nakita kasi yung mga previous na vlogs nyo. I know nagkaroon ako ng natural naman siguro sa isang partner na makita mo yung content na ganun. Pero yun nga, na-explain niya sa akin na it was just a vlog and that was just for a content, and hindi naman ako understanding naman ako na tao kung if you exert effort na paintindihin ako. Yun lang. So, thank you so much.